So this is the one that I'm looking for. Yeah, this one. So we're sorting out the coins. Then with the coins, we can go buy a mini truck right near. Very good. So let's finish counting the coins and then we'll go to lobby.
Wait, Daddy?
Okay, I finished counting the coins. So I'm going to lobby to buy the 3-truck mini 4-wheel racing one. But now the problem is I don't know how they're going to react with all the coins that I'm going to give them. So it's still money. It's still money. But you know, people make a fuss about it and they're like, oh, why are you paying with coins? Well, so we put the coins together. And it's a nice way. We've been holding on to the coins for quite a long time. So it's a good way to use the coins that you just throw around to, you know, buy things. So let's go get it. I should have carried an umbrella because now imagine I have to carry the box while it's raining. But it's not so far. It's like a 5-minute walk from home. Quite a rainy day. So this is the one that I'm looking for. Yeah, this one. It's the goes for 19,000 and it's a 3-truck. They also have additional parts that you can get to customize your junior truck. So the junior circuit. So they have additional parts where you can add on that. And then this is the one that I had before, the oval, the 2-lane. And then they have also, this is the latest of the oval 2-lane. So I think this will be cool, but still in the blue. So probably go for this. It's going to be absolutely heavy. How will I carry it all the way? Oh, I'll sweat. We're still on the mini 4-wheel drive and it's quite interesting. I just wanted to dive a little bit deeper. A couple of 4-wheel drives that I found. I have the previous ones that we raced with the last time. If you haven't watched the video, you should go check it out. And have a whole bunch of spare parts. This is actually an advanced pack. There's a difference between the advanced pack and just the normal pack. This one reminds me of the buses in the Philippines, and actually it is from their transport system. So what I'm going to attempt to do is see how much I can be able to build before we go and test it out. So I've just finished putting the new motor in it. So now what I'm going to do is work on the dampers, work on the front, and also work on the back. So we're going to change this, and we're going to change, because these ones help it to turn. So the better ones you have, the faster it goes. So I have the front fender, the carbon fiber one, attached to it. Now, proceed to the next bit. What are you building, Julian?
I'm building a circuit car.
What is it called?
I have
Mini four-wheel drive.
mini four-wheel drive.
Mini four-wheel drive. He's actually building one of this. Yeah, you can use it. That's what it stabilizes, right?
Yeah.
And we already put the carbon fiber axle. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, this works perfectly.
Okay. It works perfectly, but we need just to tie a few knots. Same with